I'm Leslie Jacobs, and I own a Moment to Relax massage therapy. And I found Fresh Clothes probably a few months ago. I'm not sure exactly how long ago. And they have been absolutely amazing. They have been prompt. The service has been it was wonderful. They've been so helpful. And the sheets that I have done every week have been done meticulously. It's so easy for me to just get them all together and put them in my cabinet instead of have to separate, sort, and make sure everything's folded correctly. And it just takes a lot of time off of my business because I'm working constantly. And to have to do 100 sheets a week or more, it's really takes a load off of my shoulders. It saves a lot of time and it saves a lot of money. Their work is amazing, and you'll be very happy to have Fresh Clothes, whether it's your personal or your business. It's amazing. For my business, they pick my sheets up and drop them off, laundered, folded, put in sanitary bags, and taken care of. Very good. I want everything sanitary here. And they've been wonderful.